As part of previous class, we discussed about the VI. So, VI stands for Visual Interface, which allows us to make the modifications on existing file, and it also allows us to create a new file, as similar as it in Windows. And even VI editor is having three modes: command mode, which is the initial version of that editor mode. Okay, then X command mode, it is an external functionality of command mode. Then insert mode. So the X command mode and insert mode, okay, developed by Bill Joy. So then later, okay, he incorporated all of the modes, and and all of the modes. Then okay, he introduced a new command called okay VI. So majority of the people okay uses the VA editor okay, to make the modifications on file. Total three modes: command, insert, X command mode. So by default mode is command mode. If you want to switch from insert command mode to insert mode, we have to use I, O, capital O, A, capital A. Again switch back to that command mode, escape. So from insert mode to any of X command mode, escape colon. These are the three options what we're having. We know about the navigation keys and search and N, J, K, L, M. So each and every character okay, we have discussed how to copy, paste, and the main intent of the X command mode is to save the content of a file, save without quit, quit without save, and okay, even if you want to replace the old text with the new text, either even setting the line numbers and set the indentation and copying the lines for a set of the lines and moving the lines and writing the data. So these are the majority of operations what we have discussed as part of okay, VA editor. And okay, even VA editor also, while opening a VA editor, if you mention okay, VA plus, the cursor goes to the last line. Plus N means okay, specific line, and okay, R means read only mode. So even in Unix, we're also having one more command called okay view. So view is also another command. So what view command does is, so with the help of okay view command, so okay, we can able to okay we can able to okay, we can able to open a file in read-only mode. We can able to open a file in okay read-only okay mode. So for example, let's consider I want to okay open okay this file. So okay, I want to open this file. So vi abc dot okay txt. So test2 dot okay view test2 dot txt. So for example, if I press I, we are getting a warning that changing a read-only file, which means that if you write anything, so if you write anything that we can't able to save it, so you will get error message that so that okay we can't able to okay save it. For example, now I'm trying to okay add okay some data. So for example, AA and okay escape colon okay W. So you'll get the read only option is set. Add exclamatory mark to override. Exclamatory mark to okay override. But okay we don't need, right? So the main motto of okay VA editor is okay to run a command. The main motto of VA editor is okay to open a file in read only mode, where okay even where we can also search and okay even some of the options okay will help us, but we can't able to edit the content. We can't able to edit the content. So the utilization of okay view is okay very less. So okay very rarely okay we use this okay view command. So if you want to view the data, so we are having a less command. Less is one of the good command to view the content of a file, along with okay head, even tile, more, less. These are the files okay we always okay use it. Now in VA editor, so if you want to run any commands, for example, like if you want to run any commands, so assume that okay, I want to run a command, so pwd and VA editor itself. So you have to go to the X command mode. After going to the X command mode, if you press exclamatory mark, so we can able to see the okay, we can run the command pwd. After running a command, so again if you press the enter, press enter to type command to continue. So again, it will go to okay, VA editor. So in rare cases, you will get this kind of utilities. So if you have opened a file in VA editor, you want to run a command, like you want to see the date or you want to know what is the present working directory, and there are a couple of operations you want to do. So in that case, then okay, we can if you want to run any command on okay, VA editor itself, that can be achieved okay by using okay, that can be okay, achieved it okay, by using you have to go to X command mode. After going to that X command mode, just okay, type okay date. So the date will be displayed on okay screen. Date will be displayed on okay screen. So that is a so okay, these are the different options what we have okay learn. And okay, even we can also open okay multiple files at a time. For example, sorted data, and we're also okay having test2 and abc paste, and okay multiple lines okay we can able to open by using the VA editor. It's not necessary that okay we should always okay pass a single okay file to open it. So for example, currently if you opened so if you open a file, if you open multiple files, it shows in the down which file currently you are in. So 1 minute. So if you execute this okay VI command, so if you open multiple files with VI, so in the down it shows which file currently okay you are viewing the content. So if you want to go to the next file, Control N. So okay, I mean, so if you want to okay move to that okay, if you want to switch the files, so Control F. So I mean like that okay, I mean we can so Control B means back, F means okay forward. So F means okay forward. So but okay this okay we don't okay use it okay much. So this we don't use it okay much. So mainly we always use a single file, and okay we perform the operations by using this okay VA editor. So these are the okay major options okay what we are having it on okay VA editor. I hope everyone is clear on this okay VA editor. So if you are still having any doubts, do let me know. Say yes or no. So everyone is clear.
No,
Okay. So now we will discuss about okay now okay we'll discuss about. So this is fine. So here nothing much. So for example, okay, if you mention a control N, so okay here okay escape colon N means okay next. So escape colon N next. So it will clearly okay shows that. And okay, if you want to go back to that okay previous control F also we can press. So that also we can do, or okay escape colon okay previous. But these are not needed. But I'm just okay explaining it. And okay, if you want to know that okay how many arguments okay you have opened, args, so okay these many files okay we have opened it. And okay these are the major options okay what we are having on okay this okay VA editor. So mainly, so if you want to switch from okay one mode okay from one file to another file, so we have to use escape colon okay N. So escape colon okay N. So okay N means okay next file. So even VA editor allows to open multiple files, to open okay multiple files at a time. So what is the syntax? The syntax of this one is just okay vi okay file 1 okay file 2 okay file 3 like this. So if you want to switch from okay for currently by default it will be in file 1. So escape colon n. So with help of n we can switch to next files with help of okay n. So with help of n okay we can move to okay next file. So whereas the same escape previous okay escape previous, so we can go back to so previous file, we can go back to previous file. So if you want to know that okay how many okay, files have opened, so args it displays okay number of files okay opened, number of files opened by vi. These are the options. So if you want okay the one more thing is, So if you want to run any command on VAEditor itself, so how to run any command in VAEditor? So escape, so escape, colon, exclamatory mark, then command, exclamatory mark, then command. To run to run a valid command, to run a valid command in VA. So in VA. So these are the four options what we have discussed on today. So now what we do is, so we'll discuss about another command called set. So set after the set command. So after this the I think we have discussed about now find and find we'll discuss after some time. First let's complete about set command. So first complete about the set command. So today we'll try to complete about maximum about the set command. So the set command, the intent of the set command is set defined as a stream editor. So the intent of set defined as a stream editor. The main intent of set command is whatever the operations you are able to perform, whatever the operations you are able to perform by using X command mode. What are the major operations we perform on X command mode? Replacing old text with new text, so this old text with new text, or moving the lines, copying the lines, or inserting the data, or then deleting the lines. So without, I mean, even 5DD. So there are set command is a the main the set command is having majority of so if you are good at VI editor, you need not remember about set command, but set command also we should be aware of it, because so if without of opening a file, so without of opening a file, so without of opening a file, if you want to make any modifications on a file without of opening that, so if you want to make any modifications on a file, so then we go with set command, we go with set command. So it define as, so it define as stream editor, stream editor. So stream editor, the main intent is, the main intent of this the main usage of the main usage of set command is without of opening a file, we can edit. So we can edit the content. So we can edit the content, we can edit the content of, so we can edit the content of file, content of the file. What do you mean by this? That's why the set command is more we use the set command more frequently. So we use the set command so more frequently as part of so as part of as part of daily operations, even as part of shell scripting. So as part of daily operations, daily activities. So we use this set command. So we use the set command heavily. So mainly, as I said that, so the first operations of set command is so replacing the text. So edit the text. The first one is so edit the text, and insert the text, so insert the new lines, so edit the existing lines, edit that existing lines, and even even insert or append, so that the four operations, printing print the lines, so print the lines, and even delete the lines. So instead of editing the existing lines, so delete the lines, and along with deleting the lines, write that then, so write the data, write the data into new file. So these are all the major operations we can able to perform by using set command. The syntax of set command is set, the set options, set options, set options, then operations, what are the operations you are going to perform, then file name, then file name, then file name. So the main options on set command is hyphen I. So hyphen I means So okay, hyphen I means okay, to make changes okay, permanently on okay, source file. By default, what it does means whatever the operations we do with set command, those operations are temporary. So if you want to okay, make the changes permanently on same file, we have to use okay, hyphen I. We have to use so hyphen okay, I. So hyphen I is the one of the okay, one of the so okay, usage. So one of the okay, usage. 1 minute, I'm getting. Sorry. So the major okay, intent of the set command is so without of opening a file, if you want to make the modifications, then okay, we go with okay, set command. So it defined as a stream editor. It defined as a okay, stream editor. So basically, we can able to okay, correlate the options. For example, if you want to display the number of lines okay, from 10 to 20 between the lines, what we do, we'll use the head and tail operations. But if you know the set command, you need not to use the you need not to okay, go with okay, head and tail. Whereas okay, if you want to okay, copy some specific okay, portion of lines okay, to a new file, then we have to go with either paste command okay, by using the vi with x command mode. So that also we can able to so achieve it by using okay, set command. There are lot many operations we can able to okay, perform okay, by using okay, set command, by using the okay, set command. So now, so okay, first we will try to okay, learn how to edit the okay, text. So how to edit the okay, text. So if you want to edit the text, so if you want to edit the text okay, in by using the by using set command, so you should know about the so options. For example, okay, last class which file okay, we have okay, taken as an example. So I think okay, this one. This one. Yeah. So let's take an example of okay, this guy abcd.txt. So abcd.txt. So now, so okay, if you want to make the modifications on this file, how do we make the modifications? Okay, if you don't know the set command, okay, we have to come to the VI editor and go to the X command mode and make the changes. These are all the options. The same syntax we are going to use okay, as part of set command okay, as well. Set command as well. So now, so cat, so abc.txt. So if you go with okay, set command, okay, set in single quotations, yes by, so India by Bharat by okay, G, just okay, file name, just okay, G, okay, file name. So as I said that okay, by default, so it won't make the changes on source file. It won't make the changes on okay, source file. But wherever there is a Bharat, wherever there is a okay, Bharat, it will try to replace all the Bharat. So wherever there is an India, it will replace with okay, Bharat. It will replace with Bharat. Now go ahead and okay, run okay, the command called abc.txt. We can able to see the old content as it is. We can able to see the old content. So okay, as it is. Now, for example, okay, if you want to okay, G means okay, globally. So G means okay, globally. The same we learn on same we have discussed it on V8 as well. So if you want to okay, replace only the second occurrence, if you want to replace the second occurrence, we can able to go with okay, set command. So if you mention okay, 2 here, we can able to replace the second occurrence. Whereas, for example, okay, if you want to replace okay, fourth occurrence, if you're not going to specify anything, it will replace only the first occurrence. By default is the okay, first occurrence. By default is the okay, first occurrence. Whereas, so if you want to okay, replace okay, if you want to replace 1 comma okay, 2 S by India by. So if you mention okay 4, okay from first to okay from 1 to second line. So from first to 2, okay from okay one and second first and second line, it will replace India with okay Bharat. It will replace India with okay Bharat on fourth occurrence. But we don't have a fourth occurrence, right? Let's try with okay a second occurrence. So wherever there is a second occurrence between one to okay between one and two, between the line numbers one and two, we can able to okay display. We can able to okay we can able to convert it. We can able to convert it. Now, so for example, so if you're having okay now you want to okay make modifications on okay multiples. You want to make the modifications on okay multiple. So for example, okay let's open okay vi abs.txt. So I'm going to okay add. So I'm going to add okay we are learning. So okay Unix, and okay Unix is the, so okay Unix is a first ever operating system, first ever okay OS in the okay in the market. Okay, markets. Just okay, I just specified okay some text. So now, so you have a requirement that you want to replace. So now let's use the cat command, cat abs.txt. So you want to replace, so you want to replace India with Bharat, and so India with Bharat only on the first occurrence. Then you want to execute, so you want to okay, you want to okay replace Unix with Linux. You want to replace so Unix with okay Linux again. So Unix. So okay, if you want to replace okay Unix with Linux, we can also go with okay Unix by okay Linux, okay Linux forward slash Unix by Linux forward slash. So what it does, so with the help of semicolon, so you know about semicolon. What is the intent of semicolon? To run multiple commands at a time, right? The same special keyword we can able to make okay use of it okay here. So with the help of semicolon, we can able to make modifications of multiple occurrences at a time. Multiple occurrences. We had replaced Bharat with India, and so India with Bharat. Sorry, and okay, we have replaced Unix with Linux. So for example, okay, if you want to replace so if you want to replace okay OS with okay operating system, so okay operating okay system, and okay on all these, so on all these we can able to okay achieve it. All these okay we can able to so achieve it okay by using this okay by using this okay here we need to use the s, right? So we can able to so achieve it. So this is the okay major okay intent of okay set command. So without of okay opening a file, if you want to make the modifications, if you want to replace old text with new text, then okay we can okay use this okay set command. Then we can use this okay set command. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So okay I mean the syntax of okay replacing the text, let's okay use this okay history command, and okay we can okay write the okay text on so here. So okay here, so okay here okay replacing, so okay replacing India with Bharat on all occurrences, on okay all occurrences. So it won't okay make the changes permanently. It will just okay make the changes, and it will display it on okay screen. It will display it on okay screen. Now for example, so okay here, so only second occurrence, only okay second okay occurrence, and okay here okay here okay between okay from okay between one and okay between okay okay between okay first and okay between okay first and okay second lines, okay only fourth occurrence, only okay fourth occurrence. So okay here multiple occurrences at a time. So multiple occurrences at a time, multiple occurrences so at a time. So okay, at a time. So this is the way we can. I mean, this is how we can able to make the so okay, edit the text without of okay opening a file. Whereas if you want to make the changes permanently on a source file itself, permanently on source file itself, then what we can do is, so what we can do is, so I mean even for every the same options. So for example, okay here, so you want to specify only okay fourth line, or okay I mean we can also the same the entire syntax we can replicate with semicolon. So it's not only for here, even we can also specify the okay range as well. So if you want to make the changes permanently on source file, we have to use hyphen okay I. So hyphen I used to make the changes permanently on okay permanently on source file, and it won't display the text on screen as well. Now, so after executing this command, so okay, wherever there is a Bharat, it has replaced wherever there is an India, Bharat, and okay, Unix with Linux, and OS with operating system. OS with operating system. So it replaced. So that is the major okay functionalities of okay set command. So even if you go with okay set hyphen hyphen help, so we can able to see the options. So I mean, as I said that the major options are hyphen n. So this we are going to okay, discuss. Okay, next we are going to discuss about okay these options. Okay, hyphen n is a silent mode. Hyphen I. So okay, we are having hyphen I. So okay in place. So okay in place. Hyphen I means suffix okay in place. Hyphen cp means hyphen c means use the copy instead of okay rename okay while okay when shuffling okay, files with okay, hyphen I mode. So if you want to copy the text, so we can also use this okay hyphen okay c. So which means that okay, instead of okay making the changes, so if you want to okay as append some suffix and all hyphen b. So hyphen r separate. These are all okay different options. So at high level, these are all the okay options of okay. These are the options on okay set command. So s means separate. Consider okay files as separate rather than a single continuous long stream. Regular expressions. These are all that okay different. So now we'll learn about okay multiple options okay one by one. So you can okay if you are having any doubts about this okay editor, let me know so we can okay discuss on it. Okay, so any doubts? You can also okay unmute yourself. Okay. If you are not having okay any doubts, let's discuss about okay how to print. Now how to okay print. So in order to print, so in order to print, we need to use in order to print the option is okay the option is okay the option is okay p. So try to understand all the options whatever I'm going to explain about p. The same options are applicable for the same options applicable for okay d also. The same options applicable for okay delete as well. Now, so for example, the syntax of okay this guy is, so let's go ahead and okay use the same command. So cat so abs.txt before that, so okay before that, so I would like to okay show you okay few more details on okay edit option also. So for example, so with help of tr command, so if you want to replace okay comma okay space with some comma, some other options, the same we can able to achieve it by using this okay the same we can able to achieve it. So okay by using this okay s by okay space by comma by okay space by so s by so str1 so str okay 2 okay then g then abs.txt. So in this case what it does, it will try to okay replace wherever there is a space, it will replace with comma. Wherever there is a space, it will try to replace with okay comma. So comma is the so delimiter. So what are trying to achieve here, wherever we are having a spaces we are trying to replace with comma. So even this also we can able to so achieve it. And at the same way, so for example in the same single okay single quotations, so yes by if you want to add okay a beginning of text on each and every line, that also we can able to achieve it by using this set command. So cap So now assume that okay, you want to add okay, some beginning of the text. So there's some beginning of the text you want to add. You want to add okay, begin space okay, g okay, then okay, space g abc.txt. So what will happen here is if you run this abc.txt, the keyword okay, begin will be the keyword okay, begin appends to the beginning of okay, each line, beginning of okay, each line. Whereas if you go with okay, for example, okay, if you want to add at the end, so if you want to add at the end, so okay, we can also use the dollar symbol. So we can also use the okay, dollar symbol. So if you execute this command, so if you execute this command, we can able to see the differences. So we can able to add begin and end. So if you need a space, obviously we can okay, yeah, okay, enter so okay, we can okay, add some space and okay, the end okay, keywords, the end okay, keyword. This way we can able to okay, we can able to add the text beginning and okay, end of the beginning and okay, end of the okay, lines, beginning and end of the so lines. Now end will be appended two times because we executed okay, two times, right? So these are the few more options of okay, these are the few more options on okay, set command. Few more options on okay, set command. Now we will try to okay, learn about okay, now we'll try to okay, display now we'll try to learn about how to print the okay, data, how to print the data. Now if you want to print the line number okay, 4, the line number okay, 4 by using the set command, we can use okay, set okay, we can use okay, set. For example, if you mention okay, 2p 2p, then okay, file name, so it displays okay, second line, so it displays the second line along with the second line. So by default set command, what it does means it will try to display the content of entire file, the content of okay, entire okay, file on screen. So if you want to suppress that behavior, so we have to use hyphen n option. If you use the hyphen n option, it will only display the, so it will only okay, display the second line. So hyphen n means, so as I shown here, hyphen n means quiet silent mode. So hyphen n means okay, quiet and okay, silent mode. What it does, so by default okay, set command, so okay, we'll try to okay, set command okay, will okay, if you are trying to print the data by using hyphen n option, so by using okay, p option, so you must have to use okay, hyphen n option, you must have to use the okay, hyphen say n option. So what the n option does means suppress automatic printing of okay, pattern space pattern. And by default if you go with hyphen n, if you go with okay, p option, it will try to print okay, the entire text for okay, entire okay, text on okay, screen. For example, so instead of okay, this, so instead of okay, this, so if you don't use this one, so if you don't okay, use this one okay, p, the entire text will be displayed on a screen. This is a alternative way to display the, so this okay, it behaves okay, as similar as okay, it behaves as similar as okay, cat command. So just cat file name, so okay, the way how the cat is going to display the content, similarly if you want to display all the content on a screen by using set command, just like a set single quotations okay, p abc.txt, so p abc.txt. Whereas if you want to okay, suppress the default behavior of okay, p okay, of p, we can use this okay, hyphen okay, n, so hyphen so n. So now for example if you go with okay, okay, 2 okay, p, it will only display the okay, second line. So if you want to display the line number okay, 2 comma okay, 4, so between one between the lines 2 comma 4 will be okay, displayed. Now here, so one semicolon, so okay, one semicolon, okay, one semicolon, okay, 4p. So one semicolon 4p. So there is a mistake. So okay, one p. So okay, 4p. So it will display the first line and okay, first line and okay, fourth line. So whereas okay, if you want to display the first line and last line, let's see whether we can able to, yes, we can able to display the, if you want to display the first line and last line of a file, then okay, we can use hyphen n option, we can use this hyphen okay, n option, hyphen okay, n option. So now this is for the first and okay, last line. So if you want to okay, give the range, so how do we specify the okay, range? So 1 comma, okay, 3. So okay, or 1 comma, okay, 3. And okay, say, okay, then okay, 4 comma, okay, dollar. So 4 comma dollar, which means that it will try to display the okay range as well. It will display okay range as well. So now if you want to display only, now if you want to display the lines which contains a keyword called okay line x. Now you are trying to display the lines. So okay, based on okay, you are trying to display the lines okay based on the numbers. Whereas if you want to display the lines okay based on okay, based on the characters, I mean based on the text. For example, by using the grep command. So grep hyphen I string name file name, what it does, it will display the lines which contains a specific keyword, right? So similarly, so if you want to get okay those lines, for example, now you want to display the lines okay, which contains a keyword called okay line x. So line x and okay then p file name, it will display the lines which contains a keyword called okay line x, contain keywords called okay line x. So whereas, so if you want to okay specify some range, so if you want to specify some range, so for example okay again okay again, so again, so for example okay let's consider, so okay here, so you want to okay start okay you want to start there is a keyword called okay bharat, and okay between bharat to linux you want to display the lines, we can also okay do that. So between the bharat and linux it will display the okay text, it will display the okay text. And okay we can also use okay some special behavior. So this is how we can able to search and okay print the okay lines, search and print the okay lines. Whereas, so if you want to display the alternative lines, for example, if you want to display alternative lines, for example, okay, 1 comma, okay, 1. So what it does, it will try to display the lines 1 plus 1, 2, like that it will okay display. Whereas okay, if you specify 1 comma, okay, 2, it will display the it will display all okay odd numbers, okay, odd lines. So 1, then okay, then after that okay, I mean let me okay show you that. So okay, cat hyphen n abc.txt, then greater than. So to okay, I mean for example, if you see this one, only that okay, only so the okay, this is having empty lines, right? So 4, 6, 8, 10. So it okay, I mean okay, I mean it is not okay displaying. Whereas okay, if you want to display okay, if you want to display okay even lines, then we can use okay 2 colon 2. So 2 means then 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So like that okay, it will display the okay lines. So okay, here the line number 2 displayed, line number 4 displayed, line number 6 displayed, line number 8 displayed, line number okay 10 displayed, line number okay 10 displayed. So whereas okay, if you are trying to use okay here okay 3 colon okay 2, in this case 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, like that it will okay, display the okay lines. Whereas if you are trying to okay use cap and okay, if you are trying to use the cap and okay dollar, cap and dollar, it will only display the, it will only okay display okay empty lines, it will only display. So okay, it will only okay display, for example okay, if you want to display empty lines okay, if you want to display only the empty lines, then okay we can use this okay cap and okay dollar. So cap and okay dollar. So what is the meaning of cap and dollar? So with help of cap and dollar, so okay we can able to okay display, okay we can able to okay display okay empty lines okay from a file, empty lines from a okay file. So if the file is having empty lines, if you want to display those empty lines, then okay we can use this okay cap and okay dollar. So cap means okay beginning and dollar means okay end. So between beginning and end, if you don't find any text, display okay those lines, display okay those lines. So these are the so major options what we're having okay to display the okay data by using this okay set command, by using this okay set command. So okay, if you go with okay all these options, so at high level, so one more time. So with help of this command, we can able to display okay, we can able to display the text text okay, on screen. So twice it will display. So if you want to okay remove the default behavior, we can use hyphen n to extract the second line, to extract second and okay fourth line, to extract okay first and okay fourth line. So okay, here is the, I mean okay here, so okay here there is okay differentiations to display okay to display okay second okay line. to display okay lines from okay 2 to okay 4 to display okay first and okay fourth line to display the first and okay to display the first and okay fourth line first and okay fourth line. So here okay here also the okay to display okay first and okay last line to display the first and okay last line to display first and okay last line. So this is also the okay same thing. And okay for example okay with help of okay this we can able to specify the okay range. So here what are trying to achieve to display okay to display the lines okay between 1 comma 3 and okay 4 to end of the okay, 4 to end of the okay file. And okay this is to display the lines okay to display the lines which contains okay which contains so okay which contains okay linux okay keyword which contains linux okay keyword. So here between bharat and okay linux. So here so with help of 1 comma colon only alternative okay alternative lines. So okay here also same alternative lines. So alternative okay lines. So here to display okay to display the okay to display empty lines to display empty so empty okay lines. So this kind of options you don't get by using any of other command by using with any of okay other command. So the say okay the options are only available on okay set command so to display the operations the same options okay the same command. So if you go with okay the if you go with okay same command instead of okay p so instead of okay p if you go with okay d so it will okay delete so it deletes it. For example for delete option so what we can do is so okay we can replace okay I mean instead of I so n we can use this okay I so okay here also we can use this okay I so okay I so I means okay, you know that okay, if you want to make the changes permanently on a file, okay, then okay, we go with okay I. So let's try to okay learn with okay I option only. So now I. So instead of okay P, so if you use the okay D, it will delete the okay lines. It will delete the okay lines. Don't run this command. It will try delete entire. So okay here. So again okay if you go with okay D is the option to delete. D is the option okay to delete. So D is the option, okay, to delete it. D is the option to, okay, delete. D is options to, okay, delete. Let me try to, okay, run this. I don't know, suddenly the cold started. So now go ahead and okay, run okay, these commands. So if you use this okay, set hyphen I2D, it deletes the second line. So it deletes the okay, second line. So don't instead of if you want to know that, so that second line will be okay deleted. So cat abc.txt, the second line okay might have okay deleted. So if you want to delete okay 2 comma 4 between okay 2 to okay 4 and okay if you go with okay all these commands okay we can able to execute as it is just copy paste and every command okay will be okay executed. Every command will be so executed. And now execute okay cat abc dot okay txt. So it might, I mean, because okay we have performed all the operations, right? Data is deleted on okay source file. Data is deleted on okay source file okay itself. That is the meaning of okay, okay, that is the intent of okay D option. So instead of okay D, so instead of okay D, so if you use okay W, so if you use okay W, so W okay file name, so it copy the data. So it copy the data into so okay this file. It copy the data into okay this file. Copies the data into this okay file. So it copy the data into this okay file. So okay, it copy the data into the okay file. The options are okay same. So okay, with the help of okay W, we can able to write the data into new file. We can able to write the data into the okay new file. That is the intent of W option. That is the okay, intent of the W okay option. That is the intent of the W okay option. So P means print, D means delete, W means okay write. W means okay write. These are the three major options okay, what we are having on okay set command. So hyphen E means okay edit. So we already know without a P also we can able to so okay do that. Now, if you are going to use, okay, if you are going to use I and A, we can also, okay, insert and append the okay, text. Let me show you that how we are going to add the okay, data. So we are having, okay, this page 22 dot test2.txt, right? Now, if you use, okay, set command, okay, set in single quotations, okay, to I means second line insert the text. So okay, we are inserting. So we are okay inserting the text. So okay, using okay set. So using set and okay then backward slash n. Okay set. Okay backward slash okay okay set. Okay here okay say okay scd. Okay scd backward slash n. Okay just okay right ram. Okay again ram. So okay this way. Let's see that. So page to dot okay txt. So that text after the second line, I mean, so the new text will be inserted at, so new line will be inserted at, okay, second line. New line will be inserted at, okay, second line. From second line onwards. So we have to use this, okay, okay, we have to use this, okay, space. Otherwise, okay, okay, here. So, okay, here. So, okay, here, n. So, we can able to display the, we can add it. So, if you want to make the changes permanently on source file, the same options hyphen I. So now go ahead and run this cat paste2.txt. The data is okay added into the, so the data is okay added into permanently to this file. Whereas if you want to insert the data, the same options we can use this the okay first okay one I. So one I means so okay one I. So okay b okay ggi begin. So okay begin, then semicolon, okay, then semicolon, okay, dollar I, okay, dollar I end, semicolon dollar I end. Now go ahead and use this cat command. The same options, the same options. So okay, we can able to okay achieve it okay by using an okay here by using this. So the same options we can able to so add it. So instead of I, if you use okay a, it will append it. So it will so append that. So instead of I, if you use okay a, after the second line, the data will be okay, appended. The data will be so okay append append append. So that now use okay cat paste to dot txt, that the data is, so earlier it is inserted, right? Now it is appended it, now it is so appended the okay data, appended the okay data. That is the major options what we are having on by using with okay set command. So we can able to make use of okay some functionalities of grep command, some functionalities of head and tail, okay, some functionalities of okay v editor, I mean command mode, some functionalities of x command mode. So these are the major options of what we are able to so achieve it okay by using this, okay, by using this okay, by using this okay set commands. So even we can also, there are some advanced, I mean, even MPT lines also we learn. Lines also we have learned it. So any doubts on here? Any doubts by using with set command? So any examples any doubts on set command? So even we can also use some special characters. Those and all I mean going forward we'll come to know. If you are started learning, then definitely we can make use of it. So any other doubts?
Hello.
So mainly set command is used to make the changes. I mean, without of opening a file, if you want to, ED means the same. Even in V8 also we are having ED, right? So ED editor, the same they have implemented as a command. That command is set along with few more functionalities, along with the few more functionalities. Nothing much. So any further doubts on here? So the next command will be after set command. We will try to learn about arc and we'll also learn about find. So arc find and we are still having arc. Okay, find. These are the bigger commands. So arc find. So even date. Okay, then cal. Okay, then cal. Okay, these are the commands. Then along with that, we're also having process oriented commands. Process oriented commands. So the process oriented commands. We need to learn about more. So basically, here we are having PS, PS. Jobs. No hub. There are multiples. There are multiple commands. Then ampersand. So FG, FG, BG. These are the different commands. And along with process oriented, we're also having scheduling commands. Scheduled commands, for example, scheduled commands. And along with the scheduled commands, communication. So these are all the different sections of commands. So once we are clear on all these commands, so yeah, you can you can consider we have a some understandable knowledge on Unix Unix CLI. So now we'll try to discuss about a very small command. It doesn't take much time. It doesn't take much time. Doesn't take much time. A cal means if you want to get a calendar. So if you want to get a calendar from calendar details from Unix, then we can use this cal. We can use this cal. So even cal also we're having a we can also pass cal. So for example, like if you are going with 2025-09, so it will display. So it will I mean for example 9, it will display that illegal month value. Sorry, first month and then year. So for example, like if you go with 9 2025, so it will display the September calendar details. September calendar details of 2025. So for example, if you want to display entire 2025, the entire 2025 year details, it will display. For example, if you want to display 1999, so we can also see that. For example, 1986, so 19 87, we can also see that. For example, we will come to know that it's very simple and straightforward. So a specific month from here, just mention 08. So it will show you the August month details. So whereas, so if you want to display, if you want to display current month, so previous month and next month. So we can go with -3 options. So if you go with -3, it will display the current month, previous month, and next month calendar details. For example, if you are going to use cal -3, so hyphen Monday, what it does means it will display Monday as a here if you see this one Sunday, the beginning of the day it was earlier Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Whereas if you go with okay Monday, it will start the week with Monday. The dates will not change. That week of the day will start with okay Monday. For example, like if you go with okay Tuesday, the week of the day will sorry only Monday and Sunday only we are having. Monday and okay Sunday. So hyphen one means okay current month. So if you go with okay hyphen J, it will display the Julian dates. For example, hyphen three hyphen J. So what is the meaning of okay Julian dates? Which means that zero to I mean a month a year contains zero okay 1 to 365 days or 1 to 366 days. If you want to know that, so which day currently it is in out of the year entire the year today we are at 156th day, we are at 156th day, it's going to show that show that okay details. So we can also we're also having the different command ncal and all, but okay we don't okay use this. So these are the okay major options of okay cal command. So cal command is used to display the calendar okay details. If you want to display the current month, previous month, next month, a specific month, if you want to display the Julian dates, all these okay we can able to achieve it by using this okay cal command. Even cal hyphen hyphen okay help, we can able to see the okay options 1 3. So day month year versions and all we can able to so display. And similarly, so we're also having okay another command called okay date. So with help of okay date command, we can able to display the okay date. What is the format of date? It will display okay day, okay month, okay then okay here again okay 5 is today's date. So June 5, and okay then timing, ist and year. Whereas so as you know that a date is a combination of multiple factors. So a date is a combination of okay year, month, date, minutes, okay hours, seconds, fraction of seconds, time zone, and okay time zone, and okay time zone, even okay calendar okay days. So for example, with help of days, I mean even Julian dates, calendar dates. So there are okay multiple options. Okay, if you want to extract, then we have to. I mean, date is having a too much of options. Okay, date is having too many of options. You need to be remember as part of okay when you are writing a shell programs. Those options are really okay helpful. So if you go with okay date hyphen hyphen help, we'll come to know the there are lot many options on by using this okay date. So by default, okay, date displays the date and okay time. So if you want to okay display the okay if you want to display the date, and okay if you want to give the input as okay some dates, so we are having hyphen d option that we will discuss. These are the options. If we are using okay I mean other commands, as of now we use other commands hyphen, right? This is the command okay we use percentage to access the okay to I mean to get a specific okay option usage, we use percentage symbol. So percentage of a, it will display the abbreviated weekday name. Capital A okay full week okay full weekday name. B means okay month name, abbreviated okay month. C means okay date and time, century. Percentage of D only okay day of the month. So how it will display? And percentage of capital D, it's a combination of these three. So percentage of E, a day of the month, and percentage of F, okay same. You have to remember this much of okay, if you want to extract okay seconds, percentage of okay yes, so percentage of okay yes. So this is the epoch data okay will display. And okay T, so okay, it will display the hours, minutes, okay seconds. And okay if you want to display the okay, fraction of seconds, so okay if you want to display the okay, fraction of seconds, so okay how do we display the okay, fraction of seconds, all those things okay we can able to okay display by using okay this. So if you want to display that okay year, last two okay year, month, date, hours, minutes, seconds, fraction of seconds, time zone, Julian dates, abbreviated weekday, abbreviated month name, abbreviated okay year, all of them we can able to okay, achieve it okay by using this okay date command. So at simple high level, date plus okay date we have to use the plus. So okay date okay plus percentage of okay capital Y, percentage of capital Y. It will display only the so year. If you go with A, Thursday. Percentage of capital A, okay, Thursday. So if you are going to combine with okay Y, it will display Thursday 2025. So if you are going with okay B, so okay B, then capital B. We can also use it. So we can also use we can also use percentage of okay C. This way we can able to display. So tomorrow okay we'll try to continue. So okay more on okay here.